In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Monday.com. Now, if you've ever been working on Monday.com and suddenly realized you've made an error, you might instinctively reach for those familiar keys, Control and Z, hoping to magically reverse your action. Unfortunately, Monday.com doesn't support Control Z, which can seem like quite the hassle. Manually adding or removing items without an undo function becomes especially challenging if you can't remember exactly what changes you made. But don't worry, there is a way to track and reverse those changes, albeit with a bit more effort. First, let's explore how to identify the changes you've made. Start by navigating to the board where you suspect an error may have occurred. You'll notice a three-dot icon located at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will open a menu with various board settings. From this menu, you'll want to select Activity Log. By doing so, you'll be granted a bird's-eye view of all the recent actions that have been taken within your current board. The Activity Log will provide you with a detailed list of changes, along with timestamps indicating when each change was made. This is invaluable when you're trying to pinpoint exactly where things might have gone astray. While this feature doesn't provide the direct undo functionality, it serves as an excellent tool for retracing your steps in a methodical and organized manner. Armed with the information from the activity log, you can efficiently identify the specific changes you wish to reverse. Note that you'll still need to manually make these corrections. However, having a clear record of each modification allows you to act with precision, ensuring that you're only altering what's necessary. It's important to remember that while Monday.com may not have the simplicity of a direct undo function, making use of the activity log can significantly ease the process of correcting mistakes. By getting into the habit of regularly checking and utilizing the activity log, you'll become adept at managing changes and mitigating potential issues swiftly. So there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on how to manage changes in Monday.com using the activity log to effectively track and reverse any unintended modifications. Make sure to reach for this handy tool whenever you find yourself in a bind. It's not as instantaneous as Control Z, but it certainly empowers you with control over your board's history, helping you manage your work efficiently and accurately. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enables you to work smarter on Monday.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time. See you come.